Mama.
Did you put the toilet seat down so Abby doesn't go inside?
My eyes hurt.
Did it spray into your eye?
No.
Blink it fast. Anju, we have to hurry and get ready.
I are going.
You want to go to the beach?
No. Everything, no.
Abby, do you want to go to the beach?
No. See, and waves. I want to take off my shoes. That's the beach.
That's the beach.
Mama, that's the beach.
You want to go to the beach with Hami and Hubby and Gracimo?
Nice. I take our shoes off.
You can take your shoes off.
Bye.
You want to put your feet in the water?
Maybe eat it. Beach water.
You want to touch the beach water?
Yes. Let's go then.
Okay, let's go then.